the Maker Magician here. Welcome to the Family Maker Camp Updates of the Week. How many of you found your mystery box yet and filled it with things that you want to make? If you haven't yet, get a box, fill it with all kinds of things you can find so you can make things throughout the week. Or you can build your own box, my little abstract box here. And I've been filling mine too. I got clown noses in here. I got a clown nose. Actually, I got a lot of clown noses here. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of clown noses. I have a challenge for all the kids at home. This is Makey. This is Make's mascot. Can you make me a Makey? I don't care what you use. You can use Legos, cardboard. You could draw it on a piece of paper. You can design it on Tinkercad like my 5-year-old son did. Can you see it? So it doesn't even have to look exactly like the Makey. I don't care if you use a piece of paper and smash it on that. You can do that too. Make a memento just like this and have a grown-up post it on the Family Maker Camp Facebook group. If you do that this week, on Friday, I will be singing about you. There's a lot of stuff happening this week. We have Dr. Sparks. He's going to be doing a live stream role-playing game. Mike Sinisi is going to be joined with Rachel Garrett. You guys are going to build boomerangs this week. That is not a boomerang. That's a rubber chicken. Code Joy is returning. It was an amazing week last week. We made puppets. This week, Code Joy is coming with Adam Lazarus. He was a former PBS show host, and you guys are going to do what? Create mechanical insects. We also we don't like insects. If you like insects, tune in with Code Joy. You guys will make mechanical ones. We have Maker Parent Happy Hour happening with a panel of amazing maker moms. This is something you definitely don't want to miss. All these events, makercamp.com/events will show you the times and dates for all that stuff. And we also have Sandy Roberts, who's leading a DIY t-shirt session. Ow, man. This is a rubber chicken with a t-shirt that knocked my glasses off. And on Friday, you'll see me doing awesome magic tricks. We'll have a dance session, a dance party, and you'll see some robots. Don't forget, MakerCamp.com. Submit your projects on MakerCamp.com and join the Family Maker Camp Facebook group. There's so much stuff going on. There's makers from all over the world sharing projects on that page. And all of this is free. It is brought to you by the members of Make Community at Make.co. You guys can sign up and become a member too. All this stuff is here so we can inspire kids all around the world. I am Mario the Maker Magician, and this is Family Maker Camp Updates of the Week. Until next time.